temperature of 85 at Greenwood, 87 at Columbia, and 86 at Charleston. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Rock Hill Airport, it was 87 degrees, producing a heat index of 94 and mostly sunny. In Charlotte, it was 88 degrees, producing a heat index of 94 and mostly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 101. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows around 70. Southwest winds around... Performance on the road conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the channel would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. Its variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL,
of course you didn't go off.
On a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont.
I can't believe it, bro. You went off, but you didn't go off.
Highs in the mid-90s. Northwest winds around 5 miles
Oh, well.
an hour. Heat index values up to 101.
Otherwise, that's a successful RWT.
Lows in the